Introducing the POWERWIN PPS320 Solar Generator, your ultimate power solution for all your charging needs. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just need a backup power source, the POWERWIN PPS320 has got you covered. With its multi-function power supply, the PPS320 is equipped with one DC input, two USB-A output, two pure sine wave AC output, one 100-watt USB-C input output, one 60W USB-C output and one DC output, allowing you to charge all your electronic devices such as mobile phones, computers, TVs, electric fans, and so on. But that's not all. The POWERWIN PPS320 also offers 4 different ways to charge, including through a solar panel, through an AC adapter, through a car cigarette socket, and through a PD100W mode. And with its lightweight and compact design, it's easy to carry with you wherever you go, perfect for outdoor activities such as mountaineering, climbing, hiking, self-driving off-road, camping, and traveling. And with its built-in solar panel, you can charge the PPS320 even when you're away from an outlet. With its ETFE waterproof material, the solar panel can increase the service life by up to 10 years, and its high-efficiency imbricating technology and monocrystalline silicon solar cell, the conversion efficiency of this 110-watt solar cell is greater than or equal to 24%. But that's not all. The POWERWIN PPS320 also comes with a car outlet 12-volt vehicle charging port for all kinds of portable equipment and insulated silicone cover to keep your device safe in power. And with its LCD screen, you can check the power status anywhere and anytime.